Okay guys, yeah, remember last time I told you about doing some renovation, making some changes here. Now I am doing the plumbing work. I've already started with the vanity. You can see I have kind of started the painting. If you can see here, the doors, I'm painting the doors. And as I told you, I will change the faucet. I already bought a faucet from Rona, which looks good, so I will change it with this faucet. And then also, I was talking about some other hardwares. This will go to the door hand. So the door hand right here. This is what I'll use for the door hand. So something looking nice. That's for the door hand. Those are my tools. And then remember I told you about the hardware. This hardware right here, kind of rusted. I will change it to something looking good. This is stainless steel. I got it from Home Depot. I ran into a little bit of problem while I was doing the plumbing, trying to take down the hose. I just noticed that this piece, the inlet, which is metal, was getting corroded underneath. So while I was bending it, it ripped off. The normal ANSIC standard right now, it should be plastic, not metal. So rule of thumb, I'm just gonna take this to Home Depot or Rona and get the seam in plastic. And then I'll do it back. This is the inlet, and then from this inlet I will get a new brown flange which will go in here, and that will complement it. So I'm still gonna do the doors. I'll do the framework, and then as you can see, painting is on the way, going on. And these are my tools. So everything is pretty much on the way. Once I'm done with the vanity, I'll start the tiling. So stay tuned, I will keep you updated. You can see the plumbing work, it's kind of still shaky here. This guy is going out. So if I take that out and I put something posh, look how they look. That's how it's gonna look. But mind you, the backsplash is going out. So that will be how it will look a little bit. Kind of picture it that way, but still more work to go. I'll keep you updated. This is just the plumbing. The real deal will be, you know, transitioning and then putting the tiles. Okay. Have a nice day. God bless. Bye-bye.